Hi everyone. We're going to find the composite functions A, B, C, and D of where our f is 3 over x plus 1 and our g of x is the cube root of x. So we're going to get started. This is part 4 and these are the last set. So basically we're going to first find f of, well, I'm just going to rewrite it. F, let's do it in purple. F of g of 4. So this is going to equal f of the cube root of 4, which equals 3 over cube root of 4 plus 1. Okay, and B, we have to find g of f of 2, which equals g of 3 over 2 plus 1, which equals g of 1, which equals the cube root of 1, which equals 1. And the next one is C. We're going to find f of 1, which equals f of 3 over 1 plus 1, which equals f of 3 halves, which equals 3 over 3 halves plus 1, which equals 3 over 3 halves plus 2 halves, which equals 3 over 5 halves. And remember, you can multiply those two now. So that equals 6 over 5. And the last one, we have g of 0. So this is going to be g of the cube root of 0, which equals the g of 0, which equals the cube root of 0 again, which equals 0. Okay, the last problem we're going to do is f of x equals x to the 3 halves. Just remember, this is the same as the square root of x cubed. And then g of x equals 2 over x plus 1. So I'm going to start with A, which is f of g of 4, which equals f of 2 over 4 plus 1, which equals f of 2/5, which equals the square root of 2/5 cubed, which equals the cube root of 8 over 125, which equals, I'm going to break this up, the square root of 8 over the square root of 125. I can write this as square root of 4 times 2 over the square root of 25 times 2, which basically gives us, this is times 3. So this is going to be 2 square root of 2 over 5 square root of 3. Now, what we're going to do here is rationalize the denominator. So you're going to get 2 square root of 2 over 5 square root of 3. Oh, this should be 5. Sorry. Should be 5. So change this. We have to rationalize the denominator. Multiply square root of 5 over square root of 5. And that's going to give you 2 square root of 10 over 5. All right? B is going to be g of f of 2, which equals g f of 2, which equals g of square root of 2 cubed, which equals g of the square root of 8, which equals g of 2 square root of 2. Now we have to plug this in. So you're going to get 2 over 2 square root of 2 plus 1. And we have to multiply by the conjugate. So this will be 2 root 2 minus 1 over 2 root 2 minus 1. And that's going to give you 4. If you distribute this, we're going to distribute, you're going to get 4 square root of 2 minus 2. And this is your, basically your a squared minus b squared. That's why we did it. So you square the a. So this will be 2 square root of 2 squared minus 1 squared. So that's going to be 4 square root of 2 minus 2 over, this is going to be 8 minus 1. So simplify that. You get 4 square root of 2 minus 2 over 7. Okay, and the next one is P, which is f of 1, which equals f of 1 to the 3/2, which just equals f of 1, which equals 1 to the 3/2, which just equals 1. And then for D, we get g of 0, which equals g of 2 over 0 plus 1, which equals g of 2, which equals 2 over 2 plus 1, which equals 2/3. That's all. The next video we're going to do is find the domain of a composite function. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.